Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. In this video, we'll be creating a very simple short hat. In case you didn't know, this channel has tons of other hats. So I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. First, we'll download the PDF with the templates. You'll find the link in the description. The fastest way is to print the templates directly on white cardstock. But if you prefer, you can print them on regular paper and then glue the pieces onto cardstock. For this tutorial, I'll be using the kids' version of the templates, but there's also a slightly larger version available for adults. We'll need 1 sheet of black cardstock. And if you're using the kids' templates, you'll need 7 sheets of white cardstock. If you're using the standard size templates, you'll need 9 white sheets. Pieces ready. Pieces numbered 7, 8, and 9 will be the only ones in black. All the others will be white. Besides cutting each piece, we'll also need to fold along the lines. If you don't remember how to do that, here's a short video showing the correct way. Now let's start building. We'll begin with pieces 1, 2, and 3. These will form the top part of the hat. First, apply glue to the tab on piece 2 to attach it to piece 3, and then glue the tab on piece 3 to attach it to piece 2. Next, apply glue to the inner tabs of this structure and add piece number 1. Now apply glue to the tab on piece 4 to attach it to piece 5, and then glue the tab on piece 5 to attach it to piece 6. Once this large section is ready, it's time to start attaching it to the previous pieces. It's very important to glue the tabs little by little to get a better result. Attach 3 or 4 tabs, let them dry, and repeat until everything is fully connected. Next, we'll use pieces 7, 8, and 9 to create a long black band. Attach piece 7 to piece 8 and piece 8 to piece 9. Then join the ends to form a circle. This will be the band we'll add to the hat later. Now we'll move on to pieces 10, 11, and 12. If you're using the standard size templates, you'll notice that piece 12 is divided into 12A and 12B, so just join them together to form piece 12. We'll assemble these pieces to complete the brim of the hat. And once it's ready, we'll attach it to the tabs on the crown to finish our new design. Now all that's left is to add the band we created earlier. If you don't like how the underside of the brim looks, you can simply paint it white. Another option is to reprint only the brim pieces and attach them so it looks white on both sides. In my case, I'm happy with this result. And that's how our short hat looks when it's completely finished. Remember, you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium, where you'll be able to download any template from the channel without ads. Thank you so much for watching the video.